Have you ever thought about this? Is the money you deposit in a bank your money at all? No. The moment you put your hard-earned money into a bank, it leaves your pocket and goes straight into the bank's vault. From that point on, the bank uses it however it wants. You feel safe thinking, my money is secure. It's in the bank. But the reality is very different. The bank is using your money to make millionaires even richer. It gives massive loans to big businessmen at high interest rates, approves loans worth billions on fake documents. And what do you get in return? Just 3 to 4% interest. Nothing more than a toy to keep you quiet. And here's the shocking part. If the bank collapses tomorrow, how much does the government actually guarantee? Only up to 5 lakh rupees. Even if you have 50 lakh rupees in your account. Now think about it. Does this really sound like security, or is it a sweet illusion? The truth is, financial freedom doesn't come from keeping money safe. It comes from growing that money smartly. And this is the biggest mistake the middle class makes. Let's understand it with simple math. If a bank gives you 4% interest while inflation is running at 7%, then the value of your 100 rupees becomes just 94 rupees after 1 year. That means you're not safe. You're silently losing money. So if you believe that saving alone will secure your future, trust me, you're making yourself financially weaker. Now is the time to change your mindset. Move from saving to investing so your money works for you, not for the bank. Get ready, because now your money won't just sit idle. It will run, grow, and build real wealth for you. These 5 assets will wake your money up from sleep and put it into the investment race. So let's begin with asset number 1, God's money, gold and silver. Once, a financial legend said something powerful. Why should I trust man-made money when I can hold what God has created? This powerful line was said by Robert Kiyosaki. According to him, gold and silver are not just metals. They are God's money. These are assets that people have trusted as real wealth for thousands of years. Why? Because governments can't control them, banks can't print them, and their value doesn't depend on political policies. He says that when paper money fails, only gold and silver survive. Just look around. Big currencies like the US dollar, INR, and Japanese yen are losing value. The Indian rupee has fallen to 86.5 rupees per dollar. Earlier, you needed 80 rupees for $1. Now you need 86.5 rupees. That means you're paying 6.5 rupees more for the same thing. But gold and silver tell a different story. In bad times, they shine even brighter. During the 2008 financial crisis, stock markets crashed, real estate fell, but gold prices skyrocketed. Those who held gold saw their wealth multiply. And remember, gold is not a bank balance that someone else controls. It's an asset you can hold in your own cupboard, and it still beats inflation. In India, gold is an emotion. Dhanteras, Diwali, wedding season, gold demand is everywhere. In just the 2024 wedding season, 3.5 million weddings took place, and people bought gold worth 4.25 lakh crore rupees. According to reports, Indian households hold around 21,000 tons of gold, valued at 165.85 lakh crore rupees today. The problem, most of it is held by the rich, while the middle class still locks money in FDs with low returns. Gold is not show-off. It's a sign of financial intelligence. It was valuable 100 years ago and will remain valuable 100 years from now. And most importantly, your gold belongs only to you. No bank interference, no policy risk. Easy to sell, easy to convert into cash, low risk. That's the real power of God's money. Now let's move to the next asset. Asset number 2, small venture. When people start their financial journey, most get stuck between salary and savings. But the truth is, no one becomes rich by saving alone. Saving is for survival, not wealth creation. Real wealth is built when you own assets that earn money even without your presence. One such asset is a small venture. A small venture is a small business idea you can start alongside your job or studies with low investment. It not only provides financial support, but also builds an entrepreneurial mindset. Today, the best low investment, high return formula is small ventures. You learn risk-taking, customer handling, profit loss management, and business planning. Let me share a real story. Ayush is a 15-year-old boy who started a tea and snack stall with just 1,200 rupees. The beginning was slow, customers were few, but because of cleanliness, polite behavior, and reasonable prices, people started coming. Slowly, he expanded his stall and added sandwiches, juices, and burgers. Today, he earns 400 to 500 rupees daily. But the real earning wasn't money, it was learning and business thinking. In a job, salary is fixed. In a small venture, growth is unlimited.